Hello, YouTube people. Okay, so just a quick Cougar update. Not too much to report. Obviously, she's been painted, I think, since my last full update. Doors are back on. Back end is mostly on except for the bumper. I got a aftermarket 6-blade flex fan. Um, I think it's going to work pretty good. The fan shroud I ended up getting was actually for a 24-inch radiator, and as you can see, that is not the radiator I have. So I had to do a little modifying to make it fit. I went with this 6-blade flex fan for 3 reasons. One, it was recommended by my wife's uncle, who installed the same thing on his Mach 1, and he had good luck with it. Moves a lot of air, apparently, so I already know somebody who uses one. Two, it does move a lot of air. It's 6 blades instead of 4, and it seems to be working pretty well. And 3, it looks like a Ninja Star, so that's pretty cool. Now, for those of you who are concerned with me maintaining the stock look under here, as you can see, there's a lot of aftermarket prettiness going on, so stock is not really my concern. My concern right now is just to make sure this stays cool when I'm driving, doesn't overheat. So if this is effective, I'll run with this for a while. If it's not, then I'm going to scrap everything except the shroud. I'll still use the shroud, but I'm going to do a bigger radiator, the 24-inch radiator upgrade. And then just hopefully that'll cure all my problems. But this seems to be working really well. Seems to move a lot of air. It didn't overheat while I was running it. I couldn't run it too long though because I'm running out of gas. So I need to get some fuel in this thing before I do any of that. So that kind of puts a damper on testing. So I'll just give you a quick walk around of the car. Maybe touch base on a few of the things I've installed, putting it back together as I trip and get caught on this motorcycle. So we've got the handles on the exterior. I'm just going to open this up just to show you what's going on here. Installed these rubbers here, weather stripping for the door, this weather stripping here. Surprisingly, the hardest thing I've ever done on this car is just get this rubber grommet through this hole. That was tough, and my arm is diced up because it's pretty big, and sticking it in here on these sharp edges doesn't feel very good. So I'll close that up, and it's got your bank safe door shut feature there, which is nice. XR7 badge, of course. So let's have a look back here. Everything's buttoned up pretty much except for the bumper because I'm missing one of the rubber fillers on the side. I've ordered a new one, well, new to me, and so once that goes in, it's going to be for this this passenger side. Once that goes in, then I'll be able to hook the bumper up, and then that'll be all done for the back except for the emblem going here. And I have to just, I think, move the trunk over just a touch this way because this gap's pretty big and this gap's pretty narrow. So I'm just gonna get it over to the passenger side just a titch and we'll be good to go. And that's pretty much it. I've installed the inside door card on the driver's side, but it's got to come off again because I forgot to put on the door lock. So yeah, it needs to come off in order to do that. Oh, one thing about the door lock, I bought these cool, I don't know if you can see it, but I bought some cool gaskets that go underneath that to seal those up, and I think that looks really nice. It's kind of a lame thing to end the video on, but yeah, that's where we're at. So one more beauty shot of the girl, and that'll be that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more content if and when I ever put stuff on YouTube. And yeah, hope if you've got a project going on, it's going really well. And we'll see you next time. TTFN.